Hey guys, Michelle Massio here. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you kind of a quick video on how easy it can be to trade stock options and make income for yourself. Okay, so first I want to get a quick disclaimer out of the way. I'm here to educate people. I'm here to share my information, my experience, my knowledge, and help as much as I can. But do your own due diligence. Please don't take any of this information as specific investment recommendations. Do your own due diligence. Trading obviously involves risk. It's the stock market. It just does not go straight up into the moon. You can't invest like 5,000 bucks and make it 6,000 as if like you had a magic wand, and it will chop around here and there. But I firmly do believe that if you use proper strategies and have implement proper risk management and things like that, that you can make yourself a very, very good return over a long period of time specifically. I'm a firm believer that people generally don't need a financial advisor, financial planner. It's funny that that had been my world for the past 13 years, helping people manage money. And recently I came to the epiphany that I don't want to do that anymore, right? So I have had clients over the years. Several have been very, very amazing, fantastic. And I've developed very close personal relationships with those people. And some of them have not been as positive as I would have liked. And ultimately, really, my experience has been that sometimes people, get upset when you manage their money and their account goes down. And I cannot control the stock market. Again, I don't have a magic wand, but I do believe that if you use proper due diligence and resources and mathematical modeling and statistics and things like that, that you can be very successful. Anyhow, I don't want to ramble. Again, I want to do a quick video and show you how easy it is that you can learn. Embrace yourself. Take advantage of this free information. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to set my timer to 10 minutes. I'm going to try to do this in a 10-minute span. Recently, I had somebody say, "Hey, Michelle, your videos are great, but sometimes I get stuck on actually like, how do I actually implement the trade? How do I do this? How do I do that?" So I figured, let me just put this. I'm recording this live on Zoom on my Zoom account, and then I'm going to upload it onto YouTube. Maybe I'll put it on my Facebook page too. So I want to try to boost up my subscribers. So if you like this, please let me know. And I'm happy to make more content that's relevant to all of you guys. Okay, so enough of the rambling. Let me start by sharing my screen, okay? And I'm also going to start my timer. Okay, my timer is on 10 minutes and counting. Okay, so here is my investment platform. I trade personally through Interactive Brokers. I don't make any money off of them. I'm not an affiliate, but I like them as a custodian, and that's where I put my trades through, okay? You can use whoever you want. A couple of things that I want you guys to notice. I'm going to tell you some important points. If you're not familiar with trading, this might look confusing. It might look like a bunch of just stuff on a screen. But really, this is very easy. I firmly believe that if you have intent and desire to learn how to do something, and you put a little bit of time and effort in, you will learn how to do exactly what I'm doing. You don't need to pay somebody else to do it. You don't need to hire a financial advisor to manage your money, and then they make money regardless of whether you make money or not. And most of them are kind of like salesmen anyway, and they use like, crappy mutual funds, maybe some stocks. You can use options and actually lower your risk and enhance your return. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so as an example, this is live. So today's date is, what's today, the 18th of November, 2020. Right now it's 11:01 Pacific. I'm in LA. I look at SPY. SPY is kind of a good benchmark on what the stock market is doing. It's like the S&P 500 exchange traded fund, right? So right now it's a tiny bit flat. It's down 0.19%. My account today is up 3.14%. So this is obviously changing. Again, this is live. It's going to go up and down. I'm not saying I make money all the time. So please, again, don't misunderstand me. And again, do your own diligence. But what I am saying is that these are the metrics that I measure myself by. And I'm going to show you how you can make a couple trades, and I'm going to show you how easy it can be. I'm going to look at NIO. One of my favorite stocks are NIO, Tesla. I have a lot of favorite stocks. I love Tesla. It's kind of expensive to trade. NIO is the Chinese version of Tesla, and I'm going to show you that as an example. So NIO is the ticker symbol. So I personally have, I have tons of positions. I'm long 4,000 shares of NIO at the moment, and then I'm short a bunch of puts and a bunch of calls. Now, my specialty, my niche is only selling options. Selling options is kind of like being an insurance company or being the casino, the house casino, where what you're doing is you're looking at things statistically, mathematically, and you're taking in a little more money than what you're paying out. That's kind of like the lowdown of it. And I'm going to make a bunch of these videos, and all of them are going to specify have to do with like individual things, but I want to keep them short. I only have 7 minutes left. And in this video, see another video for elaboration on that. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually input a trade, right? So let me show you real quick. Here is a chart on NEO. This is just a 1 year bar chart. So it kind of shows you what NEO has been doing. And then I also kind of look at a 1 day, today, 1 minute bar chart, kind of see what NEO has been doing. It kind of like started here, came down, chopped around. Okay. So let me give you an example. I'm going to give you an example on selling a put on NEO. So you can say, okay, well, you know what? NEO is trading right now at 46.16 per share right here, right? How much do you want to buy NEO for? Did you know that you can actually pick how much you can buy a stock for? It's kind of cool. That's what options are. I'm telling you, options are like one of those things that when people understand exactly how it works, you will be like, oh my gosh, Michelle, I don't know why I didn't trade options like a long time ago. Everybody told me like it was aggressive or it was risky or this or that. And that's such BS. And I didn't realize I could do this. That's what is going to click if you give yourself the time and attention in learning some of this stuff. Okay, so I'm going to look at like short-term stuff. We can pick our own expiration dates. We can pick our own strike prices. But me, I'm going to say like as an example right now, NEO is 46.19 per share. I'm going to say, you know what? I want to buy it NEO if it goes down to 42.50 per share. And if it does that between now and Friday, it's only 2 days, right? So right now that's trading for 60 bucks, 61 cents times 100 is $61. What that means is one contract of options is worth 100 shares. So if I was to sell one contract, sell one at right now, it's trading at 62, right? So it's going to fluctuate, it goes up and down. So if I put an order in at 62, it's going to fill automatically. Well, now it's 61, so it moves around, right? And if it drops to 42.50 or lower between now and Friday, I'm going to buy 100 shares at 42.50. Well, guess what? That's kind of cool because right now it's 46 bucks a share. So I'm going to get it on sale. And somebody else is going to pay me 61 bucks to take that risk. Let me say that again because I think that's super important. Somebody else is paying me $61. $61 gets dropped into my account as cash. I can spend it however I want. This isn't a paper gain, people. So like when you buy or sell stock, you have this paper gain or paper loss since you actually liquidate your stock. Options are very different. When you sell options, you get paid right away. It's kind of like insurance where you know, the insurance company is collecting a premium from the customer for selling that car insurance. Again, that's going to be another video. So I'm going to elaborate that more. I have 4 minutes left. I'm going to see if I can do it within 10 minutes. So I'm going to sell a 42.50 put. Now, I particularly use like a really cool spreadsheet to keep track of, is this a good trade? You know, is it a good rate of return, right? So I'm going to do all this. This is all live, people. This is going to be bomb, I'm telling you. So NEO, I'm going to put the ticker in. Today is 11/18. I'm going to look at an 11/20 expiration date. I'm going to sell one contract. Right now it's trading at 61 and 62. So I'm going to put in 61, right? So 61 cents means $61 gets dropped into my account. The strike price is 62.50. What that means is if NEO drops the price from where it is now, it's where is it at now? NEO is trading at 46 bucks and change. If it goes down to 42.50, I typed that wrong. Sorry, 42.50 between now and 2 days from now, Friday. I'm going to buy 100 shares at 42.50. I'm cool with that. I like NEO. I want to buy it on sale and I want to get paid to do it, right? Okay, I'm not going to go through a lot of this stuff right now, but I'm going to show you the relevant information. Okay, so right now NEO is at 46.16. I'm going to buy it if it goes to the strike price at 42.50. The option price right now is 61 cents. What's the margin? I'm going to give you another video at another time, but basically what that means is I have to have a certain amount of cash in my account to make that trade. It's kind of like good faith money. It's not something that you're paying. It's just something that you have to have in your account to cover the trade. So margin for me on this trade is 13.48. See, initial margin. I'm going to have another video that goes into more detail. Don't worry. 13.48. Okay, what does that mean? That means if I hold this for 2 days and assuming that the contract expires worthless, that means that if NEO does not come down to 42.50 and I don't have to buy the stock and I keep the 61 bucks, That means my rate of return, annualized right here, baby, 825%. Now, again, a disclosure. I'm not saying like trade options, you're going to make 800%, but what I am saying is you can make 800%, and I can show you exactly how you can do that. So what this means, this just kind of spreadsheets like this helps me understand, is that a good trade? So let me go back to, oh, I have 2 minutes, 21 seconds left. How do I actually make the trade, right? Again, this isn't interactive brokers. If you use E-Trade or something like that, obviously it's going to be a little bit different, but the concept is going to be the same. See how it's already trading down. Okay, so I'm gonna stop wasting time. I'm gonna sell one at 50. Now it's at 56 cents. As we're talking, I already lost like $5, right? Okay, I'm gonna hit submit. So sell one, limit price 56 cents. I'm gonna hit submit, and boom, order filled, right? So it says order filled, sold one NEO November 20th, 42.50 put at 56 cents. What does that mean? Let me recap it. I might go over 10 minutes, but I'm gonna deliver value. I promise you that. That means that I received $56. Wait, was it 56? Yeah. So let me show you what the net was though, actually. So here's all my trades for today. And by the way, I do have a group where I share all my trades. So that might be kind of something that might be cool, of interest to you. But basically I took in $56, right? Because 56 cents times 100. I did pay $1.09 in commission. You're always going to pay like a transaction charge. That's to actually put the trade with the stock market, right? So just like a pass through that the custodian charges you. So that means I netted 56 minus 109. So that means this amount of money, $54.91, got dropped into my account. I keep that regardless. And here's why it's like insurance, people. When you pay for car insurance, you pay a premium, right? You pay a premium to the insurance company. They are going to cover and fix your car if you crash it. If you don't crash your car, they don't fix it because there's nothing to fix, right? But they keep your premium. They don't give it back to you. Options, when you sell options like I do, like I can show you how to do, options are the same thing. Once you receive that premium, you keep it regardless of what happens. It doesn't matter what the price, it goes up or down. You keep that $56, or what was that net? $54.91 after the commission. Now my commitment, here's my commitment, because I'm the insurance company, right? And I got paid a premium. Now I have to commit to do something, for the premium that I received. My commitment is to buy 100 shares of NEO at 42.50 if the price drops to 42.50 or lower anytime. That's my 10-minute mark. Anytime between now and Friday. Let me say that again. If NEO drops in price anytime between now and Friday to 42.50 or lower, I'm committing that I'm going to buy 100 shares. So I was paid money to commit to buy a stock that I like anyway if it goes on sale. It's bomb. I'm telling you, everybody should be doing that. Now, you might be saying, Michelle, what if it doesn't drop to 42.50? Well, guess what? If it doesn't go down to 42.50, if it kind of stays where it's at or goes higher or whatever, and it stays above that 42.50 mark between now and Friday, I don't buy the stock and I still keep that $56. So it's kind of like I'm the insurance company that was insuring somebody's car insurance and they didn't have a crash and I kept their premium. So that is how easy it can be to sell us an option. That is selling a put. Now, I know you might have tons more questions, but this video is just meant to be a quick video, 10-minute plus or minus. I'm going to put this on my YouTube channel. I'm going to have lots of videos just like this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video. Please comment on it. Please share it with your friends. I want to pick up with subscribers, and I'm committed to putting new videos on all the time to kind of explain different concepts. And I'm going to share my screen like this to help you. Okay, so that is it. I'm signing out. Michelle Massio, I appreciate your time. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll check you later. Thanks. Bye.